my art has always been there ever since I left school. As you see from my exhibition, at the age of 16 I have been involved in creating things in some shape or form, in whatever it was, and it fills time, but it makes time go very, very slowly as well, because you suddenly find time there's not enough time to do everything you want, which when you're diagnosed with cancer, as I have been, and given a almost finite definition of how much time you've got left, can sound like a very short time. But if you're doing something that you love and takes a lot of effort, but requires your full attention and ability to do something that you've always wanted to do with the utmost skill, time seems endless for a while. And that's one of the things that I try to express in my show, is how just the minuscule moments in life can be so valuable just to yourself, not necessarily to anyone else, and treasured. And if you can, like myself, leave something behind to others to show that and express that, then that makes me very happy.